Hello kids, let's learn a different topic, removal of brackets, which is nothing but we are dealing with an expression which is a collection of expressions having nested off with various set of brackets here, which we are going to remove here, and simply we can call it as applying distributive property in other words as well. And let's see with couple of examples and problems and see how do we remove and how do we simplify these expressions and how do we gather, how do we combine the like terms and then simplify, and finally we get the answer. So let me start with one example. So a plus of b minus c plus of a plus b, so which is having whole brackets like this way. So how do we do this basically? So basically what we have to do is we have to simplify inside first. So a plus of, keeping the whole bracket, and if we can remove the parentheses inside, b minus c plus a plus b. So where we can simplify first. So the like terms, if we can see b and b are like terms, writing the like terms together, and plus a and then minus c at the end. So b plus b is 2b plus a minus c. So there is a plus sign here and here, and then remove the bracket, a plus 2b plus a minus c. So we can just group the like terms again. So switching 2b plus a to alter this to make a group. So a plus a plus 2b minus c. So which is a plus a is 2a, simply adding the coefficients, plus 2b minus c is the answer. Let's see, simplify 5 minus of 5x minus 11y minus 3x, and then lots of brackets are being shown up here. Let's see what are the brackets first we call it as. So I'll show you here, this bracket is called parenthesis. And the next bracket, this bracket is called square bracket. And we can call this as curly bracket or curly braces, or sometimes we can call it as flower brackets also. So it depends on the place we use to use the terms here. Parenthesis or curve brackets also we can call this one curve brackets. Sometimes we can call this as curve brackets, square brackets, curly braces, flower brackets. So these are the names of different brackets. So according to the priority we have to use the brackets. So if you can see that first priority of the brackets to remove first is, first we have to remove parenthesis, and then after we have to remove square brackets, and then after we have to remove this curly brackets. So this is the first priority. We have to remove first this one, and we have to remove square brackets next, and then at the end we have to remove this one. So these are the positions where which to remove first. So the same process we are going to apply in this given problem. So simplify minus of something is given. So let's see. So I'll write it down here. Bracket of 5x, removing this parenthesis first. So first what I just do is I'll go with the other parenthesis first, minus square bracket of 5y. Here I am just removing minus here. Minus of 3x is minus 3x plus minus of minus is plus 6y. Removed parenthesis here. So one bracket is gone. Keep the square bracket and then flower bracket. There is one more parenthesis you can see here. There is one more parenthesis. We have to remove that too. So start again is equal to flower bracket of, writing 5x as it is, and then before going to remove that we have to simplify where we remove the bracket inside the square bracket. So just keeping it as it is. So here inside this I'll go 5y plus 6y is 11y, and then minus 3x, and then now I'm just simplifying this one too. 5x minus of 11y minus 11y plus 3x and then minus square bracket of 11y minus 3x square bracket and then curly bracket. Now remove the square bracket. So 5x plus 3x is 8x minus 11y. So minus of, here minus sign is being taken inside. If you can clearly see that minus of 11 is minus 11 and then minus of minus 3 is plus. So minus 11y plus 3x. See that square bracket is gone. So let's simplify inside first. Like terms together, 8x plus 3x and then minus 11y and then minus 11y and close the bracket. Now simplify this. 8x plus 3x is 11x minus 22y. So no matter if you remove the bracket, 11x minus 22y is the final answer. Since we can say this is the final answer, there is no like term. If you can see that there is no like term in this, so we can call it as simplified answer. Here in this question we have taken not this as minus, so this is taken as to be some hyphen. So this is the simplified answer. Let's simplify the next one. 3b minus square bracket of 5a minus square bracket of 6a plus, so removing the parenthesis, so there is 2 before the parenthesis, so 2 times of 10 is 20a minus 2 times of negative b is negative 2b and then flower parenthesis is gone, keep the square bracket and then flower bracket, that is equal to 3b minus flower bracket or curly bracket of 5a minus, inside the square bracket we have to simplify the like terms. Like if we can see that 6a and 20a are the like terms, let us simplify. 6 plus 20 is 26a minus 2b, just end the square bracket and end the curly bracket. So there, if there is bracket open, there must be bracket to be closed at the end. So next 3b minus square bracket of 5a. So since here I am removing the square bracket, there is a minus before, so take minus inside, which will be multiplied with each and every term inside the terms. That is distributive property called as. So minus 26a minus into minus plus 2b and then flower bracket. This is equal to 3b minus, so 5a minus 26a are the like terms, so which is minus 21a plus 2b flower bracket and removing this one too. So same logic have been applied. So minus of minus will be plus and minus of plus will be minus. So plus 21a minus 2b. So this is equal to rearranging that 21a plus 3b minus 2b. So that is equal to 21a plus b is the final answer. This is how we remove the brackets and simplify the like terms.